Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to have an introduction for the Visual Basic environment. So the Visual Basic environment is where all the coding work is done. This is where we write our code and do a lot of stuff, and we will spend a lot of time during this course in our Visual Basic environment. So to get to the Visual Basic environment, you can either hit Alt and F11 on your keyboard, or you can go to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. And this is the Visual Basic environment. And as you can see here at the top, we've got a title bar which says Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications, and then it has the name of the workbook, VBA Editor Intro. So just like any Windows application, you have a title bar having the title of the application that you've got open. And as you can see here, we've got some menus as well, and these menus are the typical menus that we find on almost any Windows application, and we will deal with them as we progress through the course. Also, we will find here a toolbar with some buttons. So we've got here this button that would put us back to the Microsoft Excel environment, and also this save button here that can save our work in the Visual Basic environment, so save all the code that we've written. We've got this play button here that runs our code, and some other buttons as well, and we will deal with them as we progress through the course. We've also got our code window here where we write our code, and we've got our project explorer which enables you to switch between different projects, and we've also got the properties window here that enables us to change the properties of objects, and we will deal with these elements and speak about them as we progress through the course as well. So guys, this was a quick overview about the Visual Basic environment. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.